Hi everyone, welcome to Sayar Robin's channel. I'm Sayar Robin. In this video, you're going to learn about integration problem, which is from IGCSE Specimen Paper 2020, Additional Mathematics 0606. Okay, let's do it right now. Here we go. The problem is, given your answer in its simpler form, find the exact value of blah 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 blah. There are two parts, A and B in number 8. Okay, for A, so you have to notice that A number 1 and number 2 are definite integrals, because we can say that lower limits and upper limits. In problem number B, there is no lower limits and upper limit. That's why we can say that indefinite integral. All right, let's check it out. What kind of functions that we are going to integrate? So number 8a, number 1x, exponential functions, which is the most easiest one in technique of integration as well as differentiation. Well, okay, let's do it. Before we do it, so I'm going to review some formula for exponential function integration, right? Integrate e to the power ax plus b dx is going to be e to the power ax plus b. Okay, and then we have to divide by a, which means we have to multiply by 1 over a and then plus c for indefinite integral, right? So the inside function is going to be linear functions ax plus b, right? So if you know this formula, so you have to try to apply in solving this problem, right? Okay, 8 number 1a, 8 number 1, so integrate 0.2 to 1, 0.2 to 1. Okay, e to the power 5x minus 1 dx. Okay, so e to the power 0.2, this one, e to the power 5x minus 1 will give you the e to the power 5x minus 1. Sorry. Okay, and then we are going to divide by 5. That's why we just need to multiply by 1 over 5, and then so upper limit or lower limit is going to be 0.2 1 like this after integrating. Okay, then what we have to do right now is going to substitute upper limit first. So e to the power 5 one time is going to be, so we are going to substitute here, right here. Okay, 5 one time is going to be 5 minus 1 is 4. That's why it's going to be 1 over 5 into e to the power 4. And then how about 0.2? If you're going to substitute 0.2 into x, that's going to be 5 times 0.2 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, e to the power 0 is going to be 1. That's why 1 multiplied by 1 over 5 is going to be 1 over 5 minus 1 over 5. Okay, upper limit value minus lower limit value. That's going to be like this. And then so we can take out the common factors, 1 over 5, e to the power 4 minus 1 is going to be final answer for 8a number 1. Okay, this is 4 marks. How easy it is, right? Okay, let's continue number 2. Integrate 1 to 2 and then x plus 1 over x squared the whole square dx. That's also easy because, you know, before we do the integration, so we just need to expand the given binomial, right? Equal to integrate 1, 2, so you have to remember that a plus b the whole square, right? A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, equal, so x square is going to be a square and then plus twice of product of two terms is going to be x multiplied by 1 over x squared is 1 over x. That's going to be 2 into 1 over x. And then plus 1 over x squared, the whole square is going to be 1 over x to the power 4 and then dx. Okay, let's do integration. So this is simple polynomial, right? A squared is simple polynomial, right? That's why, so we have to increase by 1. That's going to be a cubed, and then we have to divide by 3, divide by new power, which means multiply by 1 over 3. And then plus 2 multiplied by 1 over x. Integration of 1 over x is going to be ln x. Okay? So you have to remember the formula for differentiation of 1 over x and differentiation of ln x and the integration of 1 over x, right? So vice versa. And then plus 1 over x to the power 4 should be seen as like this. 1 over x to the power 4 is equal to x to the power negative 4, right? So increase by 1, so we will have the x to the power negative 3, right? So because we plus 1, so that's going to be negative 3. Okay, we have to divide by negative 3, which means multiply by negative 1 that, so that's going to be negative 1 that, okay? And then we have to write upper limit here and the lower limit here. Okay, let's try to substitute upper limit first. Okay, so I'm going to use a mathematical calculation. 2 to the power 3 is 8 over 3, right? And then plus 2 into ln 2, obviously 2 into ln 2, and then when you substitute 2 to the power negative 3, it's going to be 1 over 8. 1 over 8 multiplied by 1 over 3 is going to be 1 over 24. Okay, and then so we're gonna, this is a value of upper limit and the minus, so we're gonna find the lower limit here. Okay, lower limit is, we have to substitute 1 into the given expression. So 1 cube is 1, we just write down 1 that, and then so when you substitute 1 into x ln 1 is going to be 0. 0 multiplied by 2 is 0. Okay, ignore it. And then 1, substitute 1 into this x. 1 to the power any power going to be 1. 1 multiplied by 1 that is 1 that, therefore negative 1 that. So this part is going to be 0. Okay, we don't need to care about that part after negative. So we just need to think about only this first part. So the numerical value 8 over 3 and negative 1 over 24 can be combined to get the one value. So the denominator should be 24. That's why we have to multiply both by 8. It becomes 64 minus 1 plus 2 ln 2. So it's going to be 83 over 24 plus 2 ln 2. And then so we can 63. We can strike out these two things, right? So 3 2 times, 3 1 time, 3 8 times. So 21 over 8. Therefore, it's going to be 21 over 8 plus 2 ln 2. This is final answer for problem number 8A, number 2. Okay, what is number B? What is the question of B? Question of B is just to test you. Do you know the integration of trigonometric functions? Because it's only 2 marks. If you know the formula, so you can directly give the answer. Integrate sine x over 6 dx. Okay, when you do the integration for the sine function, that's going to be the negative answer, right? Negative cos x over 6. Actually, we have to see x over 6 as x over 6 means 1 over x into 6, right? So we have to divide 1 over 6. So that's why, so we have to multiply 6 plus arbitrary constant c. Okay, this is final answer, only 2 marks. Okay, altogether how many marks? So 4, 5 and 2, 11 marks. Okay, how easy it is. So in this problem, so all of the students should know how to apply the formula that you have learned in integration and the differentiation too. Most of the students are, confusing and mixed understanding about integration formula and differentiation formula, which are closely similar, but you have to learn it clearly and exactly, otherwise you might lose some marks in examinations. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you in next problem. Bye for now.